Hi guys, welcome to JES Matthew'S kitchen. In this video we're gonna see how to make an easy, soft and crispy chocolate cookie. For easy understanding, here I divided this recipe into 5 easy steps. Kindly watch it. And the ingredients are listed down in the description box. Kindly stop there, and here is the recipe. Step 1. In a mixing bowl, combine 1½ sticks of melted butter, 3/4 cup of powdered sugar. Beat for a minute or two. Scrape its sides with a spatula. Beat for another 2 to 3 minutes on medium speed. Now add 1½ cups of all-purpose flour. Four tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1 3/4 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, incorporate well with a spatula. Now add a teaspoon of vanilla essence and 4 tablespoons of whole milk. Combine with a spatula. Knead it for 3 to 4 minutes or until you get a smooth ball like in the video. Allow it to rest it for minimum 10 minutes. Meantime, line a 13 by 9 inch cookie sheet with a heavy duty aluminum foil and a parchment paper and keep aside. Step 2. Transfer this ball to a cutting board lined by a parchment paper. Gently press it with the hands and cover it with another piece of parchment paper. Press it again with the hands and spread it with a rolling pin into a 1/4 inch thickness. Cut and remove its edges to get a neat and nice rectangle like in the video. Now you get a beautiful rectangle like this. Now make 7 to 8 cuts lengthwise of the rectangle. Another cut through its center widthwise. Step 3. Gently transfer these rectangles to the prepared cookie sheet. Remember to leave space in between. Now make holes on the rectangles with a toothpick or a bamboo stick as in the video. keep aside. Step 4. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Now sprinkle white sugar on the rectangles like in the video. Step 5. Bake for 11 minutes on preheated oven. Repeat the same with the leftover dough. This time I prefer to make round shapes with the lid of a plastic bottle. Make holes with a bamboo stick or a toothpick. And sprinkle white sugar. And keep aside until the previous batch is ready. After a good 11 minutes, open the oven and take the cookies out. Soft and crispy chocolate cookies are ready. Enjoy. Transfer them into a serving plate and bake the round cookies for 11 minutes on preheated oven. After 11 minutes, take the cookies out and transfer it to a serving plate. Soft and crispy chocolate cookies are ready. Enjoy! Thanks for watching JES Matthew'S Kitchen. I hope you like this recipe and give it a try soon. Kindly subscribe my channel for more yummy recipes. Thanks again. Bye bye.